Short-term rentals are now permitted in the city of Killeen. Many are familiar with Airbnbs and Verbos, but many STRs are equipped with full kitchens, spacious living areas, and upgraded amenities, even for just temporary stays. Instead of traditional hotels, some like to stay in a home-like atmosphere that may have more space, privacy, or be more cost-efficient. Now that STRs are permitted in Killeen, we want to make sure everyone knows how to legally operate one. Owners of short-term rentals are required to obtain a permit each year for all properties rented for not less than one night and not more than 29 consecutive nights. All short-term rental operators must register their properties within the city, ensuring they meet safety and zoning requirements. Short-term rental owners are also required to collect a hotel occupancy tax from their guests for the city, county, and state, and remit the city and county payment portions themselves. It is a violation for the city's code of ordinances to operate a short-term rental without acquiring the proper permits and completing registration. There are many benefits to properly registering your property and following the ordinance. This process showcases a responsible owner and his or her commitment to guest safety and community harmony. Operators can apply on the city's website at killeentexas.gov/STR. There you will find the form as well as frequently asked questions. We are here to help, so look out for workshops on the short-term rental registration and permitting processes on that same site.